I've just received one of the most viral item from Zara, so let's unbox it. Can you take a guess what is that? It's a new short trench in beautiful gray color. As I said, it's viral, but honestly, I'm not only looking for viral trendy pieces. I'm also looking for more timeless, effortless items style. So that's a size small. It's pretty big, I would say. So definitely oversized. That's how I would wear it. The belt is so long, so we will have to work with that. Beautiful details, as you can see. It looks so good. Let me know, what do you think?